Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT based accident prevention system along with SMS alerts and motor controlling. So in this project we have the features like alcohol detection, obstacle detection and accident detection. So based on these three sensors input to the Arduino Uno board. So on this one we are using Arduino Atmega 328P microcontroller, and based on this threshold values from the sensors, we are going to send the SMS alerts by using the GSM modem, SIM 900A, and a GPS to get the locations, NeoPixel GPS, and Blink app also. So through the Node MCU, by making use of Node MCU, we are going to sending the notification alerts to the Blink app. So already we need to install application in your phone, and to that phone it will send the notification alerts. And the next, the main input modules are, as we discussed, the sensors. Alcohol is connected at the A0 pin of the Uno board, and ultrasonic sensor SR04 interfaced at the 8 and 9 11 and 12 pins of Uno board, and a vibration sensor, nothing but accident detection sensor, interfaced at the A1, and a buzzer we have interfaced at the A2. And the next, the output modules are like GSM and Blink app through the Node MCU, and DC motor is output module. The DC motor connected at the 13th pin, and a GSM modem and GPS connected at the 0 and 1, that is directly hardware serial communication pins of the Uno board. As well as we are connected this Node MCU at the 9th pin of the Uno board, and LCD interfaced at the 2 to 7. So these are the pin connections, and the output modules, as we discussed, GSM, LCD, DC motor also. And before on this kit, we need to insert a valid SIM card into this GSM modem, and it should have the message balance, and our main balance is okay, and it should be Airtel or VI or a BSNL other than Jio. And after inserting the SIM card into this GSM modem, we need to switch on the power supply. And before that also, one more step. First thing is insert a SIM card, valid SIM card, and our next step is we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. Right. So we need to enable the hotspot. Guys, so now go to network settings and mobile phone hotspot, and switch on the hotspot with the name of project 4445. So not small letter, all are small letters without any space, and a password should be 123456789. This is very important step. Otherwise the Blink app will not get the notifications from the Node MCU. After switching on the hotspot and also internet, okay, on the hotspot and internet, and then install your Blink app. Right. So install the Blink app. We can see that there will be a red mark as indicated Node MCU is not connected, is not getting the signal. So now open the Blink app, and after installing the Blink app, log into the Blink app with the given credentials, and then switch on the main power supply. Here one more main step is SIM card and hotspot. This is very important. After that, switch on the power supply, and before getting the power supply, there will be reset switch on this Uno board. So hold this reset switch. So we need to hold the reset switch. So there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen. So here there will be one light is blinking on this GSM modem. Right, green light is blinking, this particular network LED. So it's initially it will blink for 1 second of duration, and once it gets the signal, it blinks at 3 seconds of duration. Then only we need to release the button. This is the third important step. But because before, if we allow the microcontroller to communicate with the GSM modem before getting the signal, then later on while sending the message, the so-called commands will not be understood by the GSM modem. That's why we should hold the microcontroller till it has to get the signal, and then release the reset switch. So then it will start communicate with the GSM modem, and it will enable the GSM modem to send the message alerts. And also one more thing, we need to place this vibration sensor on this. Two LEDs will be there. Two LEDs should be on. then only it is a normal condition. Okay, we need to check that also. Okay, one LED on the GSM modem, another LED on the vibration sensor. And now the three status, like obstacle detection, right, obstacle detection, all call detection, and accident are normal. So whenever obstacle is detected, then the motor will be off and there will be notification on your blink app. And when I remove the obstacle, right, so it is normal now. So you will get the notification alert also in your blink app. And once obstacle is removed, then automatically the motor will switch on. And the next is alcohol. So we can place the alcohol or surgical spirit. So for when the alcohol is detected, there will be a right. So now we are giving input as alcohol sensor. We can see one light is getting switched on, and also we'll get the notification in your blink app, and we'll get the message alert also. So once you open the message, there will be a link along with intimation alcohol detected. So just click on the link, it will be directed to the Google Maps, and now we will get the live location. Right, there we are. Okay, and the next is coming to the accidents. So whenever there is a vibration detected, heavy vibrations detected, so the particular light will be in off condition. And let us go with the blink app also. And once accident detected, in the spot you will get the notification. These notifications will be alerted in your phone if you didn't open the blink app also. I'll show you that. So once accident detected, the GSM modem continuously in buzzer mode, and it send the message of alert. Same thing, message will be received at the same location. Okay, so the other messages we will get alcohol and accident detection. And coming to the blink app, if we didn't open the app also, when the accident detected, we need to restart the kit. So we'll get this is the blink app. Accident prevention is our project name, and alert is going to be the obstacle detected. So this is without opening app also we will get the alerts, right? Thank you.